Iti sa Bangir, Pilipinas Automoto Festival, Naangay iti Paoay, Ilocos, Norte. At man, tiripo.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Toys for Big Boys. Dahito iti pangyarigan da iti nakapimpinta sa drift show. Ngamin, dito lugar tayo kang runaan na iti Paoay, Ilocos Norte, partikular iti Dream Garage iti Barangay Nagbakalan ket Naangay iti Pilipinas Automoto Festival 2025. Ditoy ana itampok dagiti agakalaing nga driver ken dagiti lugan ken ditoy ama ipakita ti kinalaing dangag drift. May isa kadagiti drivers na makinkuga iti Dream Garage ani Mr. Edmond Galano ket kunana ana bayagnan a hobby ti panagdrift ken set up tilugan.
Started in 2006. 2006 kay Hawaii.
So kami nga sir, na-interest kayo nga gastoy sir.
Hindi, nag-ubingan kami dito. Dati ako na nagbibinti, lagi bike sir, kada motorbike. And then nag-move kami kay Hawaii. I got into drifting, racing, off-roading.
May sapay ka nagiti drifters ket tinagapo iti Hawaii ani Mr. Chris Villado ket kunana anaganas da itoy ken sabsabal iti drifting may kumpara ti Amerika.
I've been drifting since 2010 in the US. I'm a professional from the States. I moved here in 2020 because it's a lot cheaper to drift here in the Philippines than it is in California. So yeah, I've been drifting for about 15, 16 years now.
And how did you get into drifting?
Actually, in a bad way. I had friends that were racing in the mountains and we were involved in a car accident. You know, racing in the mountains is not safe. So I decided to get into real racing on the racetrack. And I did circuit first and then I switched to drifting. So that's how I got started, in a bad way, but now I'm still doing it, 20 years later.
So how did your parents react when you told them that you were...
Actually, they were more mad about the accident because the police brought me home. But no, my parents didn't support until they saw I was winning. Once they saw me winning and there was prize money involved, then they were like, okay, maybe we can support you. But still, they didn't really support me financially. They said if I want to do it, bahala ka na. So
since you've started drifting, have you ever gotten into an accident?
Oh, I mean, yeah, and drifting, especially in the States. Dikit yung mga botches. So, I mean, not big accident where the car gets totaled, but there might be wall tops or you might touch another car slightly, but nothing major. Thank God.
Kabayatan natin Automoto Festival ket may sapay at charity program para iti may sa kanila beneficiaryuda nga daan iti Guillain-Barré syndrome.
Ikaw na ako para kani beneficiary dapat at least maka-generate kami di funds na ang supusok mo anak ni masakit, especially therapy na unexpected hospitalization, which is iso nga nag-come up kami di kasi siya tinutulong kanya monthly the therapy sessions and then I cannot cover everything. So good thing is ni Sir Edmond inintend na kanya tayo dito yung chance para napinpintas man yung